Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Today we're going to be excuse me making some embellishment using some doilies, ribbons, everything that you have in your stash, some pearls, everything you have in your stash. I have used my VIP Lounge membership papers from the month of November, which is this lovely hearts lacy decoration. Okay, before I show you how to make this little cute lacy decoration, I'm going to showcase the papers for the month of November. The main collection is called Snowflake Kisses, or I must admit, this is probably one of my favorite I have ever designed. So it's collection of blues. So the main color is blue and of course snowflakes. But I've added some woodlands pages because I thought that this kit can be used in January after the holidays gone, and then we can just concentrate and create something inspired by the winter rather than feel extremely Christmassy. This is probably my favorite page. So as I said, it's a tone so blue. Then we get a page with some Christmas backgrounds, pattern, and then lovely robin and a nutcracker. These snowflakes embellishments. So I left them plain so you guys can fussy cut and create anything that you want with those. This will be there will be amazing tags if you put the initial of the person that you gifted to, and you would just put it on top of your present. Look, these are ready-made bubbles that you just simply fussy cut, or maybe print it on a cardstock and hang it on your tree, or it can be used as a tags. Another woodland scene with a lovely deer. Oh, super cute. This is another favorite of mine. So it's a page with 9 lace embellishments. Again, they're kind of ready-made, so you guys can cut and layer them, or you can add to it. You don't have to cut the lace. You can simply cut the bow and maybe the bubble, or the bow and the snowflakes. You can do anything you want. I think we're going to do a project with this because I have so many ideas in my head. What I want to do. I want to play with all of this. I think in November we're going to make lots of projects with this kit because I simply love it. And then last is 2 plain bubbles that I thought you guys can use as a base and layer on top. Okay. And then the second collection, which is like a little extra gift, is called Velvet Meadow. And the reason why I call it velvet, sorry, it's this way around, is because I don't know why I feel like I'm touching velvet, and I don't know if it's just me. I think when I designed and playing with this tone, and I playing with the color palette on Photoshop, I wanted to create something that is very tactile, don't know the right word. But yeah, it feels like I'm touching velvet, and I don't know if you guys feel the same, or is it just me? It could be just me, and it's absolutely fine. If it's just me, I'll take it. So second page is this one. I thought, so these are 2 t-shirts that you can just simply fold, and then you got the collar to put on top, and this can be used as a tag because you can simply fussy cut this little space here. But again, we're definitely going to do a project because I thought we can do some hidden paper clips with this. You get another page with an envelope here that you can just simply cut, some tabs and 2 large tabs. Again, this can be we can do some paper clips with them as well. You can use as they are, you can layer on top. And then the last page of the kit is a lovely collection of tags, which I have used the same background, and I'm layered some flowers on top. And I wanted to create a bit of a contrast with this lovely teal, like a turquoise teal, and this deep burgundy slash white. It's like a wine color. So that's what it looks like. Really happy with those. And then the gift letter for this month is letter S. So the gift box we get. So this is the instruction. There is also a private video that I send you the link so you can see how I made this up. So it's one of the easiest letters to make up because the tabs are quite easy to do. So you got the front and the back, and that's the template. So these is the, let me show you, this is the front. So you get the front and the tabs, and this is the back of the letter. Okay, and because I had this page, this half of the, more than half of the page for free, I gave you a, this is like a gift bag template. So as you can see, that's where it's fold over, and that's the bottom tabs. Okay, but again, in the private video, you can see what it looks like when it's done up. So we are on letter S, and this is what it looks like when it's done up. And there is a video tutorial, a step-by-step on how to put this letter together. Look how cute that looks. And of course, it stands itself up. Okay, and that's what the bag, the little bag looks like. So cute. So you just, it's a, it closes itself. So it's a self-closure bag. Okay, and that's the detail. And then that's, I've got a few letters from previous months. I've got letter A, B, C, D, got them all in here, if I can reach, E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R. Okay guys, so this is a very super quick video to give you some ideas on how to make, what to do with those, how to use them. Now, you know how much I love designing this little embellishment because I think they're super cute. And I do this in every month VIP membership because I love them. I know the feedback from the VIP members is they love them too. So this month, what I thought we would do, just to keep extremely like, this could not be any easier. We're just going to cut them, and I'm going to use some page book, that literally old vintage book pages, and I'm simply gonna layer them. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the heart, okay, and then I'm going to die cut the book page slightly bigger so you can see the words. I'm going to ink them in blue with a blue ink, and I'm just simply gonna layer them. And because I really like this little bow, I thought we're going to use another bow underneath, another blue one. I'm sure I have some blue ribbon somewhere, but I'm going to do that in a second. I'm going to show you what I was thinking to do. Okay, welcome to my mess. Literally, I got out everything that I thought we could use today. I got some ribbons, some feathers, some more ribbon. This was my cousin bought me a present for my 40th birthday, and she wrapped it with this lovely lovely ribbon, and as you can see, it's stitched. See if I can show you. And I kept it and I saved it. I was like, yeah, we're definitely going to use in a project. I also got some more metallic ribbon. Sarah Modis, like silver and what do you call this, cord, I suppose. And then I inked all my hearts. I fussy cut all my hearts, and then I have inked them with the, this is the pigment, what's you called, metallic blue. Course, keep it simple. Don't exaggerate with names. And I got some feathers, and then we're gonna use some doilies. So I'm gonna do one with you, and I'm gonna do the rest of camera because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. So in my head, what I wanted to do, if I find, okay, my desk is a bit too messy now. I can't find, oh, there it is, my double-sided tape. So we're just gonna put some double-sided tape. Because of the feathers, you see there is a bit of thickness. I'm going to use some Stampin' Up called Dimensional, aka foam pads. Simple as. I love Stampin' Up, tend to fancy up everything, don't they? I do love them though. It's so cute. Yeah, Stampin' Up, they're just foam pads. But yeah, they call it dimensional. And I can see why, because as the name suggests, they add dimension to your projects. But yeah, they're simply foam pads. Okay. And then what I thought we would do, where's my doily? That's that. So with the ribbon, I think I'm gonna do like an X. Yeah. The reason why I'm using double-sided tape, because the glue, if you use wet glue with doily, forget about it, because the doily will simply disintegrate, because the doilies are really thin, and then if you wet them or using any wet glue, you're simply going to make them extremely fragile. So and then I'm just gonna put 2 pieces of tape. One. I'm very sorry if this video is gonna be very long. I have a feeling, and it will be. That is it. What looks like. What do you guys think? Not sure about that yet. And I think what I'm going to finish it off with is some pearls. Yeah, that's enough. What do you guys think? I think they're super cute. Okay, gonna make a few more, and I'll be right back. Let me show them to you one by one. So let me show you start from what we made together, which was this one here. Love, love, love. Then the second one I made was this one here. I had one, and unfortunately was the last one. It's a heart. It's like a pinky heart. And I don't know about you guys, but I love pink and blue as a color combination, especially these shades of, it's like a salmon pink. Really, really love salmon and blue as a color combination. And then of course I put the red, and then as a layer them, this lovely shimmer silver ribbon and the doily on the back. It's a shame because in real life it sparkles a lot, but yeah, and some pearls. Then the other one I've made was this one here. Again, blue and silver and the red with a stocking. I think again all works together. You might don't think it does, and I completely appreciate and I can see why you might don't think so. But when you do this sort of project, this is the last one, I use the feather and I'm trying to create like a heart wreath garland thing with this ribbon here and then the pearls. Okay, so when you do this sort of project, trying to think a little bit outside the box, look at what you have in your stash, like feathers, ribbons, anything, and then just play with what you think is right, because again, they're not rules. You might think they're a bit too tacky, they might think a bit too mix-mashy, but I do like them. I really do. Right, guys, let me show you where to get my VIP lounge papers on my website in case you wish to join. Okay, guys, so this is my website, AntonioMakes.com. There, you can recognize it by the beautiful butterflies there that shed with wings. So when you click on my website, straight away the home page, you can see all my bundles, including the starter pack. Okay, so these are all my bundles of papers. They're very, very good value for money. You get tons on pages. So this one is the mega bundle. You get 166 pages for all $11.99. I mean, I cannot even give you any cheaper than that. When you select any bundle, so for example, if we select this one, the first square here is the preview. The second one is a little video showcase every single page. Okay, so you'll be able, guys, to see a preview of what you get. Okay, now if you click on journals, that's all the journals that I have for sale. This is the last one left. When you click on books, these are my books that I just mentioned today. So loads and loads of them. Okay, so if you click on them, you see the preview. And then again, same, if you click on the video, which is the second square, you'll be able to see every single page that is included in the book. Okay, and then here you get my VIP lounge membership. Now is only £2 a month. Imagine the joy of opening a treasure chest each month. Inside, you'll find exclusive digital papers you won't get anywhere else. Beautifully curated to inspire your junk journal, cards, planners, and creative project. Each bundle is a surprise, a spark, a moment of magic made just for you from me. And every month, of course, is different. Don't miss out. Every month, a brand new exclusive collection of digital papers is released, crafted to inspire and delight. These designs are never repeated. Once they're gone for good. Yeah, because it changes every month. So what do you get? You get 30% discount across everything on my website. So including all my bundles and physical journals. Digital papers that, of course, I will send it to you each month to your email address, and a gift box template and a private video, of course, that shows you how to make it. So you can pay £2 a month, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can just do one yearly membership price. You just pay once and you get them for 12 months. And then if you scroll here, you see all the feedback from the VIP members and what they say about the papers they get each month. And here, my little thank you note to every single one of them. Okay, guys, I hope it's all clear. So I will really looking forward to welcome you in my VIP membership. Again, £2 a month. I don't even know. So cheap. So cheap. You get loads of goodies. If you like this video, please consider giving a very big thumbs up, because it really helps me with my journey here on YouTube. Every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, and it's always much appreciated. Guys, I'm going to go. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.